Dear students, how are you? I am fine. All you are well? Let's sit down please on online class. Now we are going to our online class starting. So I am Sharmin Hussain, lecturer in English, Govt Indurkani College, Indurkani, Pirozpur. Let's go. Dear students, look at the picture on screen. Guess the sentences. Anik is a student of class 10. Anik goes to school daily. Anik learns Anik's lessons very much. Everybody likes Anik very much. The above sentences have lost their attractions because of using Anik as a noun in every sentences. Dear students, can you guess this? If we write Anik is a student of class 11, he goes to school daily, he learns his lessons very much, everybody likes him very much. Now the above sentences have got their attractions because of using he, his, him instead of Anik. Dear students, we are going to this screen. Yes, this is imagination. Can you imagine the topic? Dear students, yes, you are 100% right. We are going to discuss about. Can anyone say me? What is this? Pronoun reference. That is pronoun reference. Part 1. Dear students, now we go that what is pronoun reference. Before going to discuss pronoun reference, we have to have clear idea about pronoun. Otherwise, we may not find the pronouns from the passage. Let's go and know about pronouns and its classification. Can anyone say me what kind of pronoun? Can anyone? Pronoun, the word which is used instead of noun called pronoun. Definition of pronoun. I repeat again, the word which is used instead of noun is called pronoun. Kinds of pronoun. First, personal pronoun. Second, demonstrative pronoun. Third, interrogative pronoun. Fourth, relative pronoun. Fifth, indefinite pronoun. Sixth, distributive pronoun. Seventh, reflexive pronoun. And eighth, reciprocal pronoun. What kind of pronoun? Eight kinds of pronoun. Now we can say what is personal pronoun. Can anyone say me definition of personal pronoun? Yes. When a pronoun is used instead of person or material is called personal pronoun. And personal pronoun is three kinds. First person, I am a student, that is I is a first person. We go to school regularly. Here we in remark, red mark, we go to school regularly. Second person, first person, plural. Ours is a peace-loving country. Ours is red, first person pronoun. Second person, you should do your duty properly. You is a second person. Third person, he, she, they, it. He loves his parents. She does her homework daily. They should be praised. It is very interesting. He, instead of name, he is a third person. The person who is used. Now we definition of demonstrative pronoun. The pronoun which is used instead of person or material and indicates that person or material is called demonstrative pronoun. Now we remark this. This is my book. These are my pen. That is your computer. Those are your balls. This is my book. This is remark. Read. This plural. These. That singular. Those plural. That is demonstrative pronoun. Now we indicate this which is demonstrative pronoun. These and these are used to indicate nearer persons, materials. That and those are used to indicate further persons or materials. I repeat again. These, note, these and these are used to indicate nearer persons, materials. That and those are used to indicate further person, materials. Discuss about interrogative pronouns, and that is the pronoun which is used to ask question is called interrogative pronoun. And now we can say interrogative pronoun is a simple WS question. When we use it, we various purpose use it. Interrogative pronoun. What do you want? Who did the work? Which is your shirt? Whom did you meet yesterday? Whose is this mobile? That is interrogative pronoun, and another name is WS questions. If a sentence begins with interrogative pronoun, auxiliary verb is used before subject. Dear students, I note to notice to you. If a sentence begins with interrogative pronoun, auxiliary verb is used before subject. Now we example what he wants. Incorrect. Now we say correction. What does he want? Because distributive pronoun. Definition of distributive pronoun. The pronoun which indicates two or more than two persons or things and separate them individually is called distributive pronoun. Each of the girls contributed to the fund. Either of the two boys can do it. Neither of the two friends helped the poor woman. None of them were present. Dear students, notice this line. Note is of the, either of the, neither of the. Always take plural noun or pronoun, but the verb becomes singular. Indefinite pronoun. Definition of indefinite pronoun. The pronoun which indicates indefinite person, thing is called indefinite pronoun. One, anyone, no one, none, anybody, nobody, something, all, few, everything, nothing, both, other, others, little, more, much, another. One should know how one can be successful. The novel is outdated. Give me an updated on. One of the boys sings well. Everyone should obey his teachers. All the food has become rotten. I have eaten many fruits. Have you eaten any? Relative pronoun. This is easy pronoun and we use it very simple way. Re means back and relative means relation. So the relative pronoun means the pronoun which is used just after noun and relates to sentence. I saw the fisherman, he was catching fish. I saw the fisherman who was catching fish. Now who is combined to sentence and who is pronoun. We help the girl is a sentence. Her father died last year is another sentence. We help the girl whose father died last year, whose is a relative pronoun. Who is what, whose, home, etc. are relative pronoun. Difference between indefinite pronoun and distributive pronoun. Kamal has two sisters, both are married. Distributive pronoun. Kamal has two sisters, both of them are married. Most are present in the class. Most of them are present in the class. None are my books. None of them are my books. Reflexive pronoun. Most are present in the class. Most of them are present in the class. None are my books. None of them are my books. Some work in the field. Some of them work in the field. Difference between indefinite pronoun and distributive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Definition of reflexive pronoun: by adding selves with personal pronoun that work as an objective and unseparated from the subject is called reflexive pronoun. As for example, she takes care of herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. I love myself. I, subject, love, verb, myself, reflexive pronoun. I, possessive, myself. They love themselves. We absented ourselves from the strike. You are guilty by yourself, he finds himself. Reciprocal pronoun. Definition of reciprocal pronoun: the pronoun which relates to or more than two persons are called reciprocal pronoun. We love each other. The two friends talk with each other. They help on another. The friends talk to another. And this red marks each other, on another is reciprocal pronoun. Notes: each other is used to means two, whereas on another is used to means then two. Dear students, now we go individual work. Tell the names of pronouns from the exercise. Can anyone say me? Which is your book? What is pronoun? Interrogative pronoun. Which is interrogative pronoun? This is the girl who danced in the auditorium. Who is pronoun? Relative pronoun. I sent him money and this helped him buy books. Demonstrative pronoun. Everybody hates a liar. Indefinite pronoun. Neither of the two boys did it. Distributive pronoun. Many of them were present. Indefinite pronoun. These are followers. Demonstrative pronoun. We live in this world and we must live it. Personal pronoun. She takes care herself. Reflexive pronoun. The student talked to another. Reciprocal pronoun. Now we group work. Write 5 examples from each classification. Personal pronoun: I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Demonstrative pronoun: this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronoun: who is, what, whose, whom. Relative pronoun: who is, that, whom, but such as, the same as. Indefinite pronoun: on, any, on, none, both, anybody, nobody, something, all, few, little, more, much, another, etc. Distributive pronoun: is, either, neither, none. Reflexive pronoun: myself, himself, yourself. Reciprocal pronoun: each other, on another. Now, dear students, notes your khata and took your pen and group work. You write this example and write your homework. Write 2 sentences from each classification of pronouns. Your home tasks and Next day we all are see again. Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.